This is for you and Bonnie in your travels.
Wait, we get a separate little something?
Yeah.
Oh.
You might want to pull it all out then if you've got a whole week to go.
Ooh, cheese sticks, those will be good.
That's a fabulous. Okay, Joel's mom and dad just got here and they brought us snacks for our road trip.
I don't think we've even told our audience about our road trip.
We haven't, so they don't know exactly where we're going.
Oh yeah, this is mine only.
Okay. And those bags are so you can put an ice pack in it and carry it on your trip
Oh yeah, I'll pull these up.
in the car.
Oh, little forks. That was thoughtful.
And then this is for each one of the kids.
Does each of them have their own baggie?
Yes.
You cannot touch these till we leave.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that'll be good. I bet that pineapple will actually last.
If you keep them in a fridge.
Yeah, that'll be good. Oh boy.
What is this?
How do I trade mine for the kids?
And again, this bag is so while you're traveling with an ice pack in it, you can put these in the bag.
Yeah. I'm gonna love this.
There we
I
are.
can snack
Maybe that's better than candy and crap.
Oh, heavens yes.
Aw.
Oh, but there's oranges.
Thanks,
Just
Grandpa.
Are these blood oranges?
That's the most thoughtful thing. Well, what I think is cute is that they're in individual bags. Kids love that kind of stuff. Grandma and Grandpa came into town. Oh, I was like, did you know you're missing hair? But you haven't even finished yet.
No, I'm just gonna leave it like that. It'll look good enough.
Olivia's play is tonight. She has been working so hard. It was canceled, it was changed, it was postponed. So it is finally opening night. How do you feel?
Excited?
Do you feel nervous?
No.
Good. Good. I'm excited for you. Kate, we're gonna go to dinner beforehand. So Olivia's getting her hair braided. Do you already have your eye makeup done or do you need more eyeliner?
No, but could I bring a bag that I would keep it just so I can do it there? Because I don't want to go in public and be like wearing like red lipstick and lots of eyeliner.
Yes. So that's what I was gonna say is go to my bathroom and grab all the things that you need and just like take them with you maybe. That's great.
Oh, I love hair like that. It's like,
Do you have to redo that?
I might. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
It'll bug me so bad.
We are knights. We came to rescue the princess.
Just like you. I don't know if it's me though.
We are the lucky ones. Everyone else, she incinerated. Like Jerry.
Yesterday you guys saw me getting my hair done for the play yesterday. Yesterday was opening night. Today I'm gonna like bring you with me and I'm gonna kind of show you some of the characters, kind of what I do. Since I have extra time at home, I'm gonna like pretty much do everything before. So I might braid my hair, I'm probably gonna do my makeup. And then when I go, then pretty much we just sit for like 30 minutes for people to come in. It was pretty packed and I had a lot of my friends come. It was super fun seeing them. So today is a performance, tomorrow there's a performance, and then next week there's a couple more performances. So there's a couple. And so we are very excited. It's been postponed twice and we almost missed it. Luckily, the next day we're doing something and we're not gonna miss it. So luckily we are here today being able to do it, so we're so excited. Okay, so upstairs they are cleaning, so I'm just gonna kind of get ready. Most of this makeup is my mom's. I don't own eyeliner because I never use it. It's only for like play to make like your eyes look like better pretty much, and so like the audience, so they can actually see you, because otherwise in your face just looks really washed out, and then it's not as fun to be there at a middle school play. So yeah, but I am not the best at all of this. I have tried to learn. It is a little harder than I thought it would be. What? Anyways, not planking. It's really annoying. Okay, so most of the characters, we did a performance yesterday. It was really, really fun. Everybody was so excited. And yeah, oh gosh, I'm so shaky. I'm just like, ah. So let's see if I can get this done. Kinda got it. I'm so good at this side. Well, not to toot my own horn, but I'm pretty good on this side. This side is so hard for me for some reason. With everything else, like doing my nails to like just doing makeup. Oh, I hate seeing my skin in this mirror. It's okay. Oh. Oh yeah, today was also like a half day, so we got out earlier. See, look, that looks pretty good, I'm being honest. It's because I'm not up close. But today was a half day, so we got home and I was like, okay, what am I supposed to do for the next like 3 hours? So I just sat and watched TV. What a normal human being does, besides all my friends. My friend, she left 4 minutes before 4th hour and she went to a gymnastics competition. And she won first place, and the medal was bigger than her head. I was really proud of her. But yeah, she's a really good friend. Sadly, I have to miss her party. We're not gonna be here for it, and I'm so sad. We're gonna have really fun. Funny thing is when I'm setting this camera up, I'm using a toothbrush to keep it up. Anyways, I was saying I was just gonna put my lipstick on, and I was like, oh wait, I should probably put chapstick on. If you put chapstick on, it'll just look a little more cleaner. By the way, so I finished this side though, and it looks pretty good, being honest. Now I'm just gonna do the other side.
Am I good?
Yeah, and say your character and your name.
I broke the door.
Are you winning,
I'm
son?
SHREK, and I'm Jeffrey Morel.
Wow,
Go follow
okay.
me on TikTok.
No. Okay, so you're gonna say your name, your real name if you want, your character's name, and who you are. Wait, and do something. Just do something.
Okay, my name is Christian Hoisington. I play Peter Pan, and this is something.
Hi, I'm Jordan Hart. I play Little Shrek, like Baby Ogre, and then the Frog Prince from Princess and the Frog. That's kind of what I do.
Okay, you guys, so we are almost to halftime, or not halftime, sorry, intermission. I came thinking of like football or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, sorry, I have to be really, really quiet because I'm not really supposed to be out of here. But I'm gonna show you guys my night costume. So in the scene, there's a dragon and a knight that like isn't saying like you're gonna stay donkey, like you're not gonna leave or something like that. And so we have to be all sassy. It's a little dark over here, so sorry about the lighting, Mom. So this is my costume. I'm a knight. So yeah.
I'm Barkwalk.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And then my second costume is a squirrel. They just told me to wear black and white, and then a squirrel mask. So I was like, okay.
Hi, my name is Gingy, and I'm in SHREK. It's so much fun.
I'm Papa Bear.
Oh my gosh. So we just ended, and we all are so tired. The second that, sorry, it's really dark outside. The second that like we ended the show, it like we'd close the curtains and then everybody would just start screaming. We're all just so happy that we liked the show. We're so proud of ourselves, and it was so fun to see everybody outside. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the end of the vlog. So if you liked it, please like and subscribe. If you haven't, click the notification bell, I think. I don't remember. Anyways, but yeah, bye guys. Okay, so you probably can hear them upstairs cleaning. So yeah, oh, I have so much. So you guys saw me yesterday getting with my hair. Sorry. Tomorrow on Saturday is a performance. Should I say Saturday?
You guys probably don't want to watch me do makeup the entire time.